Karate. Karate started in Okinawa, Japan, back when people thought punching air was the height of self-improvement. It's all about punches, kicks, elbows, knees, and of course, the famous knife hand. But karate isn't just about hitting stuff. It's also about not hitting stuff, because discipline and respect are half the deal. You train forms called kata, sparring, and self-defense, all while chasing the color upgrade system. White belt to black belt, aka Pokemon evolution for humans. Taekwondo. Now let's fly to Korea for Taekwondo, the martial art that decided why punch when you can spin through the air like a Beyblade. Known for flashy high kicks and Olympic-level flexibility, Taekwondo is basically karate on caffeine. It became an Olympic sport in 2000 and is famous for promoting peace, right before launching a spinning back kick to your jaw. Aikido, or the art of politely flipping people. Born in Japan in the 20th century, it's all about using your opponent's energy against them. Instead of brute force, you redirect attacks. Think of it as martial arts judo for introverts. They wear loose uniforms because you need all that fabric to grab, throw, and gracefully avoid breaking bones. Muay Thai. Welcome to Thailand, home of Muay Thai, the art of 8 limbs. And no, that doesn't mean people here are spiders. It means you fight using fists, elbows, knees, and shins. Muay Thai fighters train by repeatedly kicking hard objects, conditioning their bodies to be as tough as their egos. Even in the chaos of combat, they end every fight by bowing to show respect. Judo, created by Jigoro Kano in Japan, Judo is basically the yeet martial art. You don't hit people, you throw them hard. The whole idea is maximum efficiency, minimum effort, which is code for leverage solves everything. It's both a sport and a self-defense system, and if you've ever been slammed into a mat, you know why it's effective. Jiu-Jitsu OG version was built for samurai who needed to fight without weapons. Punching armored dudes didn't work, so they learned to trip, choke, and dislocate joints instead. It's literally the don't fight force with force martial art, more smart physics than brute strength. Judo actually came from this, so Jiu-Jitsu is kind of the grumpy grandparent of modern grappling. Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu, BJJ, is Jiu-Jitsu's Brazilian cousin, who spends way too much time rolling on the floor. Developed by the Gracie family, it focuses on ground fighting. Submissions, chokes, and joint locks. It's the ultimate David versus Goliath system. Small person defeats large person using pure technique. If you've ever watched MMA, this is the reason every fight eventually turns into 2 people hugging on the floor. Kung Fu, or 1,000 years of punching elegantly. Originating in ancient China, it includes countless styles, many inspired by animals. Tiger, crane, snake, monkey, basically the entire zoo. It's not just about fighting, it's a spiritual practice. Kung Fu can look like dance, calligraphy, or full contact chaos, depending on the style. And yes, you will look cool doing it. Krav Maga, the art of no rules, just survival. Created for the Israeli military, it borrows from boxing, wrestling, judo, and street fights. Basically everything that works. Eye gouges? Allowed. Groin kicks? Encouraged. It's designed for real life, not tournaments. Because in Krav Maga, the goal isn't points. It's going home alive. Capoeira. Capoeira is what happens when martial arts and dance have a baby. Created by enslaved Africans in Brazil, it disguised combat as rhythmic movement. It's all flips, kicks, and acrobatics, part self-defense, part performance art. It's so smooth you could get knocked out and still complement the rhythm. Wing Chun. If you like close combat and rapid punches, Wing Chun is for you. Developed in southern China, it's all about short, efficient movements and controlling the center line, the imaginary line running down your opponent's body. It's what Bruce Lee studied before creating Jeet Kune Do, so you know it's serious business. Boxing. The art of punching someone while looking stylish. It's ancient, scientific, and somehow one of the highest-paying combat sports ever. It's all about timing, distance, and not getting punched in the face. The hardest part. The pros make millions dodging fists, while the rest of us struggle dodging rent.